See children, today we have to discuss grammar topic. So far we have completed 4 lessons and 4 poems. No, yesterday I have given you the question and answers of Tiger poem also. So today is Saturday, tomorrow you have Sunday. So by Monday you have completed the question and answers of Tiger poem. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about degrees of comparison. So I think Nelson sir has taught you degrees of comparison in 8th standard, right? So did he teach anything in 7th standard about degrees of comparison? Oh, okay, okay. So I speak to Vaishnavi Aragde?
Yes, Mataji.
Vaishnavi, only in 8th standard have you learned degrees of comparison?
Mataji, in deep we have learned about the degrees of comparison in eighth.
In
But seventh and sixth, Mataji, we have only learned about comparative, positive, and superlative degree.
adjectives you have means number of
Uh,
adjectives you know, no, like strange, stranger, strangest, strong,
uh,
strong, strongest, like that, right? Huh? So
uh,
formal adjectives, informal adjectives you have learned, no? So formal means like strong, stronger, strongest, huh? Fast, faster, fastest, big, bigger, biggest, small, smaller, smallest, smart, smarter, smartest. So these are all examples for formal adjectives in degrees of comparison. So informal are there. So like your famous, then popular, then interesting. So here in this case you have to use much, more, most. So much interesting, more interesting, and most interesting. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous, like that. So it is called some irregular adjectives, no? And there are some adjectives where, see, like your good, better, best. Okay, good is positive form, better is comparative form, best is superlative form. Then you have bad, worse, worst. Okay. Then you have little as the positive form, not lesser. You have less as the comparative form, and you have least as the superlative form. Right. Then, Vaishnavi, what do you remember degrees of comparison? So, was it discussed in detail in 8th standard?
Mataji, somewhat special case and general
General
case were
case.
taught.
Yeah, that was a talk. Okay. So it is very
Uh,
easy concept. So let us have a quick revision on this topic. So if it is possible today, let us complete it today. Otherwise, let us complete it in our Monday's period. Is that okay? So degrees of comparison it is taught, and let us just have a revision over that. See, first of all, there are 3 degrees of comparison. See, we have got 3 types: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. We have 3 types there: positive, comparative, and superlative. Already I have told you about the adjectives. No, some formal adjectives you have like strange, stranger, strangest, safe, safer, safest, and some irregular adjectives are also there like good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, less, least, like this. And informal adjectives are also there like popular, then famous, interesting. For all these things you have to add before them much more, most, to put them into positive, comparative, and superlative forms. So now children, let us check a few examples. So in general case and in special case, how they are written. What is the difference between this general case and what is the general difference between general case and special case? We have to check. So here I have taken one example for general case. See, I have written the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Here, this is adjective. Okay, this is adjective because it is qualifying or it is describing the noun ocean. What is ocean, children? Ocean is a noun, no? So what type of ocean is the Pacific Ocean? It is the largest. So this the largest, it is an adjective because it is describing what, children? The noun. It is qualifying the noun. So that's why this largest, you have largest here, the largest, not just largest, it is the largest. Observe it. Then next one, Pacific Ocean is larger than. You have larger. Then, in the third sentence, no other ocean in the world is as large as the Pacific Ocean. So, I have underlined the adjectives in all the three sentences. All the three sentences, they are giving same meaning, right? So no other ocean in the world is as large as the Pacific Ocean. So second sentence, Pacific Ocean is larger than any other ocean in the world. And third sentence, Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. So in all the three cases, there is no difference in meaning. See, someone has switched on their mic. Please mute yourself. Who has unmuted yourself? Please mute yourself. Okay. Who has unmuted? Okay. See, okay. So three cases, all the three cases, they give same meaning, but the way in which these sentences are written, no, it is different. So no other ocean in the world is as large as the Pacific Ocean. Then Pacific Ocean is larger than, Pacific Ocean is the largest. So here in the first sentence, I'll take this as the first sentence for you. No other ocean in the world is as large as. See, in between as and as, you have the adjective large. Okay. So as large as, you have the adjective large, and this is called, children, positive degree. What is this called? It is called positive degree. Then in the second case, I take this as the second sentence for you. The Pacific Ocean is larger than any ocean in the world. The Pacific Ocean is larger than any ocean in the world. So here larger. Okay, with this one, than. So this is called what, children? Comparative. This is comparative degree. And third one we have, this sentence I give number as 3. So the Pacific Ocean is the largest. So the largest is which degree, children? It is your superlative degree. So the adjectives are written in 3 forms: large, larger, largest. Large, positive; larger, comparative; and largest, superlative. So it means what? There is no ocean in the world which is as large as Pacific Ocean. Andre Pacific Ocean ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಎಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕಾಂಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಓಷನ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ general case. In this case, what happens, children? There will not be any competitor. Competition ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಒಂದೇ. Like Aishwarya Rai is the prettiest lady of the world. There is no competition with Aishwarya Rai at all. Okay. So if I say Mount Everest is the highest peak of the world, that means what? Mount Everest ಒಂದೇ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Nile river is the Nile river is the longest river of the world. So no comparison. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರೊಬ್ಬನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಕಾಂಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವ? ಜನರಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಯಾರೂ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು? ಅದು ಜನರಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಜನರಲ್ ಕೇಸ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಈ 3 ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ? ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಓಷನ್ ಲಾರ್ಜ್, ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ, ಹೌದಾ? 3 ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೂಪರ್ಲೇಟಿವ್. ಆದ್ರೆ ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಓಷನ್ ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನ ಜನರಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೇವೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್. Very few dams of Asia. So this is first sentence. Very few dams of Asia are as long as Hirakud Dam. So this is positive form. No, this one is positive form because you have long. See, long. This is adjective here. It lies between as and as. The adjective long lies between as and as. That's why it is positive. Then the Hirakud dam is longer than you have. Longer, er is added, than you have. So that's why it is, children, comparative form. Comparative. Then the Hirakud dam is one of the longest dams. One of the longest dams. The longest you have, it is, children, superlative form. Okay. So in this case, very few dams of Asia are as long as Hirakud dam. That means what? ಏಷ್ಯಾ ಖಂಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿರಾಕುಡ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತೂ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ಸ್ ಉದ್ದದವಿದಾವೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಹಿರಾಕುಡ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮಹಾನದಿ ರಿವರ್ಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತದ್ದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೆಂತ್. ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲಾಂಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಲಾಂಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಈಸ್ ಹಿರಾಕುಡ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್. ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಂಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಏಷ್ಯಾ ಖಂಡದಲ್ಲಿ there are few dams which are as long as Hirakud dam. So there is competition for Hirakud dam in Asia. So in this case means competition ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ what is the difference between this general case and special case? Let us check the first sentence here. First sentence is, no other ocean in the world is as large as Pacific Ocean. Very few dams of Asia are as long as Hirakud dam. See here, the sentence started with the word no other in positive degree in general case. In special case, the sentence started with the word very few. Okay, so positive degree difference in the general and special case is, in the general case, the sentence starts with no other ocean in the world. Here, in special case, you have very few dams. Howda? No other ocean. Noun will be in singular form. Very few dams. Noun will be there in plural form. Very few dams of Asia are. See, dams are, ocean is. Ocean is. Okay. So, no other ocean in the world is as long as large as Pacific Ocean. Very few. Very few dams in Asia are as long as your Hirakud dam. So this is how you can differentiate in positive form. Then comparative form. Let us check, children. In comparative form, second sentence here and here I have the second sentence. No, see here, the Pacific Ocean is longer than any other. Okay, the Pacific Ocean is longer than any other ocean. Any singular. Any andre ondeya. Any andre singular. That's why any other ocean. See, any ocean. Then here, the Hirakud dam is longer than many other dams. See here, many dams. Howda? Many plural. That's why you will have dams. In general case, in comparative form, you have any other. Whereas in special case, you have many other. That is the difference in general and special case. Then let us come to superlative form, children. See here, the Pacific Ocean is the longest. ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ the largest. Okay, the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರನೇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ರಿ, this is third sentence. No, the Hirakud Dam is one of the longest. Means ಸುಮಾರು ಉದ್ದುದ್ದ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿರಾಕುಡ್ ಒಂದು, one of the longest dams. Okay, Divya Mataji is one of the teachers of Chandana school. There are many teachers in Chandana school. Divya Mataji is one among them. Okay, then Medhini is one of the girls of 9th standard. Okay, Medhini is one of the girls of 9th standard. 9th standard, that means what? There are many girls in 9th standard. Medhini is one among them. Understood, no? India is one of the nations of the world. What's the difference, no? There are many nations in the world. Okay, India is one among them. Okay, then next, your Kanchanajunga. Kanchanajunga is one of the mountain peaks of Himalayas. There are many mountain peaks. Among them, Kanchanajunga is one. Artha aitalla nimge difference. So, one of the dams, here only one, the largest, one of the longest. So, this is how you can differentiate between general case and special case. Now, children, do you have any doubt? Do you have any doubt? Danya?
No doubts, Mataji.
No doubt. Thank you very much. Chinmay Chaudhary. Chinmay Chaudhary has left the meeting. Maybe what is the strength of the class now? 29. Okay, I will take better action. It is better to take action. So now we will not waste the time. So next, Tanvi, is there Tanvi in the class?
Yes, Mataji.
Tanvi, do you have any doubt?
No, Mataji, no doubts.
No doubts. What about Rachita?
Yes, Mataji.
Doubt, Marie?
No doubt, Mataji.
Pakka. Huh? Then shall we take few examples? Shall we take few examples to solve? Yeah, that we will do. I'll take few examples. Yes, has anybody messaged?
Aditi is.
Aditi?
She has no doubt.
She has no doubt. Okay. Now I will take one example for you. We will solve it and we will understand. Okay. Now my example is, I'll write here, no other man was as strong as Hercules. No other man was as strong as Hercules. Okay. Now, so in which form is it? General form or special form? Yes. Who has raised it? Yes. Ankit?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. In which form is this sentence? General?
General.
General. How can you say that this is general form?
Mataji, in general form, no other is there.
No other is there. No. So correct. No other is there means with Hercules there is no competitor at all. Right. So this is general case and the sentence is starting with no other. Now in which form is it? Positive form, comparative form or superlative form? Ankit?
Positive form, Mataji.
Yes. How can you say that it is in positive form?
No other is
No
there.
other is there. Then one more thing,
Strong.
strong is there, and strong is in between
And
as and as. Strong is there in between as and as. No, so that's why it is in this is in positive form. Now, who will change it to comparative form? Will it be done by Anushri? Anushri? Okay, if Anushri cannot do, I'll give you chance to yes.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, can you write the sentence in comparative form?
Machi, few minutes.
Huh. Otherwise, let me give you chance to yes, Bhumika.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah.
Hercules was stronger than any other man.
Hercules was stronger than yes. Any other Bhumika?
Man.
Man is the correct answer. Now, shall we write it in superlative form? Who will help me to write it in superlative form? Yes. Diksha? Nidhini, will you tell?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Diksha.
Hercules was the strongest man.
Hercules was the strongest man. Yes. Your answer is correct now. Hercules was the strongest man. Your answer is perfect. Okay. Yes. Now, do you have any doubt? Shall we go for next one? Yes. Who has kept hand raised? Ankit? Ankit, any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt, Ankit? Okay.
No, Mataji.
Now I'll give you another example. Okay. So Hercules' example we have completed. No. Next question is, he is the most handsome actor. He is the most handsome. He is the most handsome actor. Yes. Aryan. Aryan?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Can you identify which case is this? General
Superlative
knowledge?
degree.
Yes, it is in superlative degree. How can you say that it is in superlative degree?
The most is there.
Yes, exactly. You have the most. Now Aryan, tell me general case or special case?
General case.
How can you say that this is general case?
The is used behind the adjective.
The is used behind the adjective. That is one thing. Then in this way also I can write. No, he is one of the most handsome actors. Now also the is there before your most. He is one of the most handsome actors. Can you identify, Aryan, the difference now? Aryan? Yeah, Aryan? So, you have to search for one of the, if it is one of the, then it is special case. If it is just without one of the, it is general case. Means, in the first case, this first case is telling that there is no competitor for that actor. He is the most handsome actor. But in the second case, there are few actors who are as handsome as that actor, right? So this is general case. He is the most handsome actor is general case in superlative form, and who will tell it to me in comparative form now? Comparative. Medini, will you try? He is more handsome. More handsome actor. So who will help me, Dini? Yes. Kritika. He is more.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, continue.
He is more handsome actor.
He is more handsome actor. Okay. Anudeep,
Yes, Mataji.
tell me.
He is more handsome than any other actor.
Very nice. Than any other actor. He is more handsome than any other actor is the correct answer. Okay. Yes. Now let us write it in positive form. Will it be done by? Yes, I have Pranav Hegde.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, tell me the answer.
No other actor is as handsome as him.
No other actor is as handsome as him. No other actor is as handsome as this actor. Okay. So no other actor is as handsome as him. Okay. Yes. Now let me give you another sentence. That is, Reena is smarter than any other student of the class. So, my sentence goes like this. Children, the meeting is going to end. Okay. Within 2 minutes, 1 minute maybe, rejoin the class with the same. End the meeting and rejoin very fast. 15 minutes. For 15 minutes, we will continue the class. Okay.